color. Time to add some cashew nuts. Repeat the same process again with low flame. Now add roughly chopped tomatoes, green chilli and ginger. Repeat the same process and wait till the tomatoes turns soft. Turn off the flame now. Add these spices in jug and grind it. Our butter is completely melted now. Time to add grinded paste to it. Bring it to a boil now. Take 4 tablespoons of curd. That was what the video, guys. If you liked my video, then give it a big one thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Tell me how was my video in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.